We are replacing the AC compressor on this 2015 Nissan Sentra. Before you replace it, you're gonna have to take your vehicle to shop to get the refrigerant recovered if you don't have that machine. I don't expect the average DIY to have that machine. It's a $5,000+ machine. Alright, so take it to a shop, recover the freon, and take it back and replace your compressor when they're back to the shop to get it recharged. Alright, let's go. You need to take out your passenger side front tire. Compressor is located down there on that side. We need to take this shield out of the way so we can get access to the compressor. We need to, by removing those little push pin here, you can use a flap disc screwdriver to pop the middle part out. Right? There it is. You're gonna take that one off. There should be 3 of them down there in a 10mm bolt, okay? Let's take that one off. So, alright, since we got the push pin off and we took out the 10mm bolt that was holding what to call this splash guard liners, wheel liner, so we can put it aside so you can have access to the drive belt and the AC compressor down there. Alright, there it is, just like that. Good enough. So we're gonna compress the tensioner here. Looks like it's a 14mm. We're gonna compress it so you can take the belt off. And by the way, remember to take a picture of the belt welding before you take it off. Alright, we recovered the freon, so it's time to remove our lines. Alright, we're gonna use a 40mm wrench like this and turn it clockwise. In the meantime, take your belt off the compressor. Alright, we got our belt off. So what we're gonna do now is remove get the bolt of the compressor here. It is a 30mm. The compressor is held by 3 bolts. Right, you get all 3 of them off so you can get access to the line. The line is attached to the compressor with 10mm bolt, so we're gonna loosen it up so you can get access to those bolts, okay, and unplug those 2 connectors that's attached to it. The bolt are one right here, that one here, and there is one on top right there. Alright, bolt number 1 is the other bolt. Alright, we got our compressor loose, so we're gonna try to get the bolt off right now. 2 of them, 1 and number 2 over there. Alright, got the bolt off. So I ended up using a 10mm wrench like this, so I can break it loose and remove it. I got one of the connector off right here. After I got the thing off, I swing it to this side toward the oil filter here so I can get access to the connector. And the last ones will be challenging. I'm gonna use a pick or maybe a flap disc screwdriver to push this tab down and remove it. There you go. And compressor is free, ready to come out. There it is. Here is your new compressor. We're gonna install it and yeah, make sure we put the lines in, plug our connectors, and that's it, guys. That'll be it. Let's go. I'm tying the line now using a 10mm ratcheting wrench. This is good, and do the same thing for that one here. Our connector is not in yet. Alright, our compressor is back in. Now we just put in the bolt. Okay, this one, and now do the top bolt too. Alright, now we're gonna put our belt on. Alright, gonna put our belt on. Let's go. Alright, we got the bolt, the belt almost there, all the way through. We just keep cranking it until you fully see it on the groove. Alright. Alright, the belt is in. Alright, so we're gonna reinstall our body trim here. They're held by 10mm push pins, 10 millimeter, and we fill the system.